난 나쁜 남자야. 난 나쁜 남자야.
Okay, this is actually Rain's debut song from his first album.
Oh wow.
And this is actually the beginning of the bad guy syndrome. But like since we're talking about bad guy, let's talk about this.
What does bad guy mean exactly?
A bad guy.
What does that guy mean?
Your own opinion, like in your own opinion, do you think you're a bad guy? And how do you define bad guy? You're bad.
Okay, I'm gonna be a bad MC today. I'm the main MC. Stop laughing.
You're bad.
Stop smiling.
Oh yeah, he's a main MC today.
Go away. Go. Get out.
This is called bad.
Oh, this is bad.
Tell us about bad guy.
Why do you think girls like you? Do you think you're bad?
I think a bad guy means, okay, if you're a nice guy, you're always like, oh hey baby, you know, it's like touching and like, you want this, you want to buy this, you want me to buy you this, and then a girl can actually take you for granted. So if you're a bad guy, you can say, no, I'm not gonna buy you that, and the girl will be like,
and if they want
yeah, they'll be more
I guess
eager.
it's like a push and pull effect.
Yes.
Like
you
say,
push
no,
them and then
no,
they come,
no.
and then you pull them.
I better use that from now on. Okay, but speaking of the challenge that we have today, we have the music video theater, as you see here.
How could you do this to me? How could you? How can you treat me like this? Tell me.
Jung-Joon, I am arresting you for theft and fraud.
I didn't deserve you. You were a girl I never should have wanted. I should have made up my mind, but I made you fall in love with me. I think it was last autumn when I first met
Dude, this is a present.
Another one? I'm always receiving presents from you.
You can buy me presents later when you make a lot of money, okay? Just be yourself as a present for me.
But still, 미안해. 처음부터 이런 생각은 아니었어. 네가 날 정말 좋아하게 될 줄 몰랐어. 그냥 조금만. 그거 다시 할게요.
That's no! Don't ruin my theater! How can you do that? You're cool as fool!
Okay,
That's so sad.
let's continue with that thing.
Okay.
Even though Korean is kind of sloppy.
But quiet. Just sing it.
난 나쁜 남자야. 난 나쁜 남자야.
미안해. 처음부터 이럴 생각은 아니었어. 네가 날 정말 좋아한 게 될 줄 몰랐어. 그냥 조금 만나다 말려고 그랬어. 정말이었어. 미안한다는 말 아무 소용 없겠지만 지금 그 말밖에 할 말이 없어. 하지만 나도 널 진짜 사랑했다고.
Okay, let's give him a clap. Not bad.
I'm sweating right now.
Okay, let's go to the first one!
Hey, that's jealous. Okay, number one is
How to avoid the sun!
Actually, whenever I hear this song, I think of that like huge antique necklace with the sunglasses.
But actually I don't understand, why does Rain want to avoid the sun? Is it like because of the rain and the sun, your enemies or what?
the sun symbolizes a girl, okay? He's broken up with that girl, but he can't forget her. And it's like wherever he goes, the sun is still shining down on him, so he can't escape from her. So that's why he wants to get away from her.
Oh, I thought it was like... Well, I didn't know
Don't take it so literally.
Oh, I didn't know there was like a deep meaning in it. I thought it was like sun and rain, so rain and sun, sunism, rainism.
Sunism.
Okay, anyway, let's take a look on our mission.
For a mission?
Oh, what are we going to do?
We're gonna be doing the
sunglasses dance.
Oh, yes!
Oh! What? Why are you guys staring at me like this? Come on!
Wow, that was really good actually. I like the wave, your body wave.
Your
like
body
it?
wave.
You liked it?
I don't know.
Sing it again. I don't really like it. Okay, let's. Kevin, 음악 cue.
Looks like a bug.
Wow.
What was that? Can you wear your sunglasses again?
He looks like a mantis. He looks like an insect.
No, I did a wink, but my hair was covering. I was doing this.
Oh yeah.
Ew, look at your eyes so red. What's wrong with you? You didn't have enough sleep.
Yes.
Okay, last but not
moving
least.
on.
Okay.
Actually,
Me and Alexander were kind of awkward, but I think Eli will top it off. Oh! Wow! Oh!
That's the wrong dance.
No, that was good though.
This is a really honorable experience for us to imitate Rain Sunbeam, but I'm
Okay,
sorry.
let's apologize to him. Rain
we're
Sunbeam, sorry.
Sorry. We also have to apologize to our viewers because it seems like we disgusted them.
I think we made a lot of anti-fans.
Guys, don't hate us. I'm sorry.
The time has come. Who is the main MC of today?
We got her.
Kenny! Wow, really?
So I guess we have to.
So where's the mask? Take out the mask so you guys be quiet. Well, just as I expected, I won the main MC again. And we will be trying our hardest as you kids to be like Rain 선배님. And we'll be... Come on, be quiet. Anyways, everyone, please participate with your powerful one-line messages to our I Feel Like board. And if you want to go there, go to www.arirang.co.kr. We'll be really thankful for all your messages. And, of course, we've got to play your music video for today as we say goodbye. So, bye-bye! See you next week!